Good evening, Harish Babu.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, this is an online interview session about how to attend interviews in online mode. Because of now the corona situation will be made up of all are in online mode for education students and also the industry person and also the some academic persons. All are in online mode. So
Yes, sir.
first of all, you tell about yourself.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. My name is Harish Prabhu. I studied St. and Education High Secondary School 12 and HSC and SSLC in St. and Education High Secondary School, BA Aeronautical in SNS College of Technology. And my strengths are being motivation to others and managing times, and weakness not satisfied in my jobs, doing more better in not satisfying me. And my hobbies are gym, ball badminton playing, and etc. My uh, certificates and courses are ball badminton certificates are there, and the courses I have done in Coursera and more courses. Shall I show the PPT, sir?
Yes, any interested topic in COVID situation, how are the industry handle or how are the industry having some recruitment process? If you discuss your points in your screen share,
Uh, that's
let's start.
ability who is looking for forward to success in
Please be louder.
growth and excellence and self-development to achieve personal as well organizational goals. 2018 hiring industries are infrastructure, manufacturing, information technology. 2019 hiring industries, banking, finance sector, technology, telecom. 2020 hiring industry, consumer tech, business, software, education tech. These are the current industries are hiring in online courses. 2018 jobs starting from infrastructure sector led by the government. It has had a significant impact on the job marketing. 2019 jobs. Firms are increasing rely on technology to streamline the job market operates on whether there is need for your skills. 2020 jobs, healthcare, online shopping, finance, etc. Searching for right talented freshers job market in slow recovering from the COVID-19. These are the timelines which the online recruitment for the jobs. Graphs year on year 2019 before COVID-19 to till now the hospital and clinic holidays. These are the graphs with our job opportunity and uh, the pandemic period. Now the job offers healthcare, Facebook, teachers, money, shopping, bank, food deliveries. Healthcare. The pandemic makes more job offers for the healthcare. Facebook. We are recurring for new ideas to attract the users. For the pandemic time, we are at home using more time on and spending time on teachers, school and colleges developing with new studies and more ideas. Because in pandemic, their online courses are made more easy to study than school and colleges. Online shopping. In pandemic period, no other shoppings are allowed. So the online shoppings are more recruiting area. Banking. The banks are making pandemic period for loans and other purpose for taking money. And these are the and food delivery is the most using pandemic period online food orders and other stuff. Mm.
Okay, you were hold on your screen and just off your screen now. And next, Nitish Kumar, you can switch on
Sir.
your video mode.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell about yourself.
So myself Nitish Kumar. I'm studying in third year BA Aeronautical in SNS College of Technology. I was completed my 10th standard in Priyadarshini Medical School and scoring 95% of total mark. And I completed my higher secondary in Bharati Vidyalaya Medical Higher Secondary School. And I completed and I scored 70% of total marks. My hobbies are playing cricket and football and volleyball. I'm stronger in my self confidence and I'm weak in studies. That's it, sir.
Okay, just you can share your points about flood or water scaring in current situation. If you have PPT, you can share your screen.
So.
Is any problem?
Sir, sir.
Sir, that's okay, no problem. You can just share your points.
Sir, please. So 1 second.
Okay.
So my topic is about floods, sir. How flood is an overflow of water on normally dry grounds, sir.
On your
There is
video
an
mode.
sir.
Just on your video mode.
Yes. The flood is an overflow of water on dry land, sir. Is the most commonly due to overflowing of river, a dam break, a snow melt, or a heavy rainfall, sir. Less commonly happening are tsunami and storm surge, sir. Cause of flood. Severe flood is caused by the atmospheric condition that lead to heavy rain and the rapid melting of snow and ice, sir. Types of flood: flash flood, coastal flood, urban flood, river flood, ponding flood. Flood control methods. Some methods of flood control have been practiced since ancient times, sir. These methods include planting vegetation to retain extra water, terracing hillside to slow flow downhill, and the construction of floodways. The largest known meteorology flood, one caused by rainfall, as is in the current Mississippi River flood happened in 1953 when the Amazon River overflowed, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you have any points about the prevention of water scarcity?
Sir,
How scarcity in future?
by harvesting rainwater, sir. So by harvesting rainwater and reusing the water for vehicle wash and planting trees, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, both your points are good in COVID situation in one, and another one is in water scarcity. Now, just I will share about some tips to how to attract you attend in online interview mode. First thing, you have to focus your dress code, whether if it is an offline mode or online mode. You need to wear your dress is contrast color with your background, and then your sitting place and your background situation will be in a quite normal with your suitable body condition, and then your sitting position will be in a straight to the interviewer. And another one condition is in your online software checking systems. If you have any problems in your current online system, you need to alternate another systems suddenly. So these are the main conditions or main factors while you are focusing on your online interview session. Thank you.
Yes.